Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And this one is the Serrated Spartan. Now, one of the things that's kind of cool about this particular knife is that you can actually get a serrated blade on a modern Victorinox Swiss Army knife if you want. Because this knife is actually available currently. And I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. They're actually pretty affordable. They run about 25 bucks in that range. And really the main thing is it's just a Spartan, only it has a serrated blade. Let me show you. So it's got the usual blade like a normal 91mm Swiss Army knife, only the blade is serrated. And let me show you. It's still a pretty darn sharp blade. You know, kind of what you come to expect from your Swiss Army knives. And, I mean, like, serrated blades are often problematic if you want to sharpen them. But if you're looking for a serrated blade on your Swiss Army knife, this isn't a bad option, really. And if you're interested in dimensions, the blade is just a smidgen over 2.5 inches. Is that right? I feel like I didn't do that right. It's almost, he's just a little under 2.5 inches. So you have the large serrated blade, and then you have the small blade like normal. And then you got the can opener. As the can opener has a small flathead screwdriver, and then you have the larger flathead screwdriver and the bottle opener, which is probably the only example that I'm not going to complain about a bottle opener. And you have the wire stripper, the little nubby thing right there. And then that was a little bit stiff, actually. It has a corkscrew. So if you were so inclined, what you could do is you could get you could actually get one of the little micro screwdrivers for this if you wanted, and add that to the corkscrew. And also, I don't know if y'all can, let me see if I can get this here, I can see it. And can y'all see it? Right there, the side where the corkscrew goes in the scale, it does have the small hole if you wanted to add a straight pin. So it's not quite, I mean, it doesn't have the plus scales, so you can't add the pin, toothpick, the writing pin, but you can add the other pieces of the plus scales if you're so inclined. So, I don't know. It's not too bad of a little knife. I think if you're looking for a Swiss Army knife with a serrated blade and you want to just kind of test it out, I don't think this is really a terrible option, because you can get it for like about 25 bucks on Amazon, and maybe less if you shopped around more. But I mean, like, 25 bucks for a Swiss Army knife that you can just sort of play with, not a bad deal, I don't think. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are y'all pro or con serrated blades? I think for Swiss Army knives, I'm con. I don't think I don't like my normal Swiss Army knife. My everyday carry Swiss Army knife is a Cyber Tool Light, and it is probably a bit bigger than most people would carry, but it doesn't have a serrated blade, and I don't necessarily think I would really want one on my everyday carry knife. I don't know. But I guess if you wanted to try it out, this might not be a bad option, just to see if you like it. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.